This is Chidinweke here. Welcome to Random Unbox TV, and today I'll be reviewing the Samsung A70. The Samsung Galaxy A70 has a 30 megapixel selfie camera, an infinity hue display, and a triple camera at the back. I bought this device around 117,000 naira. The Samsung Galaxy A70 is a mid-range smartphone for the younger generation who enjoy making, sharing, and consuming live video content. The Samsung Galaxy A series is a Samsung electronics line of mid-range smartphone. The series contains 15 smartphones, from the Galaxy A10e to the Galaxy A90 5G. So, before we get right into the full review, I would like you to please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. And don't forget to like or dislike this video at the end of this review. Let me have your feedback on how to improve more on the videos I upload. So let's get right into the full review. For the design, the Samsung Galaxy A70 has a metal frame on the front and back of the phone in a glass and metal design that delivers a premium feel. The Galaxy A70 is not heavy and is easy to hold in one hand with a dimension of 164 by 3 by 76 by 7 by 7 by 9 mm. It can be difficult for those with smaller palms to hold. On the right side of this device is the power and the volume keys, which are easily accessible, while the SIM tray is found on the left side of this device. At the base, the Galaxy A70 packs a 3.5 mm headphone jack, a speaker, and a USB-C 2.0 port for charging. The Samsung Galaxy comes in various colors: blue, black, pink, and white. For the display, the Samsung Galaxy A70 comes with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a pixel resolution of 1080 by 2240 and a 385 ppi density. It has a 20 by 9 aspect ratio and an 87 by 5 screen to body ratio. The small notch at the top of the screen is called an infinite hue display. That's what Samsung basically calls it. The A70 also features an in-display fingerprint scanner on screen for logins and authentication. For the camera, I was able to test out the A70 camera, selfie camera, and the back cameras. A70 comes with 4 cameras. At the rear, you find a triple camera with an LED flash, 32 megapixels with a 1.7 focal length, and an 8 megapixels with a 2.2 ultra-wide lens, a 122-degree lens, and a 5 megapixels, a 2.2 depth camera for blurred background portrait. The front selfie camera is 32 megapixels with a 2.2 focal length. The Galaxy A70 supports video recording with 4K resolution at 30 fps or Full HD capture up to 60 fps. The ultra-wide video recording lens may also be enabled, but the footage can only be captured in Full HD resolution at 30 fps in this mode. The Samsung Live Focus creates blurred background portrait pictures using the 32 megapixels camera and 5 megapixel depth sensors, which creates photos that appear quite good. I was able to test out this camera. For the very pictures I took with it, it performed above average. For the memory, this Samsung Galaxy A70 comes with a 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and the memory card slot expandable up to 512GB. For the performance, Samsung Galaxy A70 smartphone runs on Android 9.0 Pie operating system and is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 with 6GB of RAM or 8GB of RAM depending on your region, 2GHz octa-core processor with an Adreno 612 GPU. The Galaxy A70 performs daily tasks without any problem. For gaming, it runs most high-definition games smoothly. You won't notice much lag while playing heavy graphics game. Comparing the Galaxy S and A series, the Galaxy S series is made with respect to performance, while the A series is designed with respect to balance and performance. There's no IP67 or IP68 rating for this device. According to Samsung official website, this means that the Samsung Galaxy A70 is not dust or water resistant. For the battery life, the A70 comes with a non-removable 4500 mAh battery with 25W super fast charging. For heavy users, the battery can take you throughout the day, while for light users, the Samsung Galaxy A70 can go to the next day in terms of battery life. There's no wireless charging on this device. Connectivity. A70 has all the connectivity options that a standard smartphone includes: GPRS, Edge, 3G, 4G, Voice LTE, Wi-Fi, other features. Should you buy the Samsung Galaxy A70? Who is this device really for? The Samsung Galaxy A70 is a mid-range smartphone with few flagship features that are equipped with an excellent 4500 mAh battery. The life of the battery is so good that you can maintain full day use. Best of all, the Galaxy A70 supports up to 25 watts quick charge. You get a super fast charger with the package. So let me know what you think about the device. Leave your questions in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification button so anytime we upload a new video you get notified.